Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a comparison between the Ponds Light Moisturizer and the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream. Both of these are super affordable and very moisturizing on the skin. I'm going to be comparing these on the basis of their ingredients, their price range, their texture and a lot more factors. So if you want to know what they are, then please continue watching. A quick disclaimer before we start. All my opinions about both of these products are completely based on how they work for my skin type, and you might have a different opinion and you might like a different product. I wanted to do this video because since I have two moisturizers and both of them have a similar texture to them, I thought I could make a comparison video and just let you know which one I like better. You might still have oily skin like mine or combination skin like mine and like the other product better. So please don't take this personally. I like both the brands so much and this is just a comparison video. I'm not here to say which is best, or I'm not here to say that one brand is best and one is worst. So let's actually jump to the video. The first point of comparison is availability, and both of these moisturizers are available offline in any supermarket or any beauty store near you. In fact, I bought this Ponds moisturizer near my house in a supermarket. This is a 25 ml product and this retails for ₹35. Unfortunately, you can't find this size on Nykaa. On Nykaa, they only have the 75 ml product as their smallest size, I believe. And this moisturizer, this Garnier one, I actually bought it offline. This is a 40 gram, no, this is a 18 gram product and this retails for ₹150. So both of them are available both online and offline. The next point is the sizes available for both the moisturizers. As I said, I have the smallest size for the Ponds moisturizer and this is a 25 ml. You also have a 75 ml, a 150 ml and a 250 ml for this Ponds moisturizer, which I feel is a great thing because you can obviously go for the smallest one, try it out, and if you like it, you can always go for the bigger size and you might even find it on a discount. So the Garnier one has two sizes. One is the 18 gram one and the next one is a 40 gram one. So the smallest size is actually not very small like the Ponds one, and it's not too big for mini size. So I think this is perfect and I've like already emptied a lot. So coming to the price range, the Garnier one, the 18 gram product retails for ₹150 and the 40 gram product retails for ₹260. The Ponds smallest size 25 ml retails for ₹35, 75 ml retails for ₹115, the 150 ml retails for ₹199 and the 250 ml retails for ₹299. Personally, I'm very happy with the price range both the brands have to offer because even their biggest size tube is not more than 500 rupees. Both of the brands have their price range under 500, which I think is a very great price point for a beginner to look at. The next point is ingredients, and the Ponds moisturizer actually mentions here very clearly that it has vitamin E and glycerin. I tried to find out other active ingredients on the back of the box and even online, but I couldn't find any active ingredients. So I think these two are the only ingredients that they have mentioned. Coming to the Garnier one, they have actually mentioned their ingredients in the bottom of their outer packaging, and all of the ingredients are mentioned here, but the key ingredients are water and glycerin. So both the moisturizers have glycerin as their common ingredient, which is a very good ingredient for a moisturizer. The next point of comparison I want to do for both the products is fragrance, and the Ponds moisturizer actually has a lot of fragrance which is quite strong, and you can find this fragrance in almost all of their Ponds creams, and even some of their face washes have this fragrance. And if you have a very sensitive nose, then the fragrance part could be a slight disadvantage, but once the product is completely blended out, the fragrance disappears within minutes. Coming to the Garnier moisturizer, this also has a fragrance, but it is very mild and it doesn't disturb your nose as much as the Ponds one does. Both of them have additional fragrance. I won't say they are fragrance free, but this one has a very mild and a very sweet fragrance to it. So the next point is the texture of both the moisturizers, and both of them are slightly on the thicker side. I'm just going to keep it like this. As you can see, the product doesn't run or fall from the box. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the Pond's moisturizer first, and I'm going to apply it in the back of my hand and show you how easily or how difficult it is to blend it out. So I'm just going to take like this much and apply it in the back of my hand, and I'm just going to start blending it out. As you can see, it gives a slightly whitish cast, and it feels a little heavy to actually blend it out. It feels like slightly greasy on the skin while blending it out. It doesn't feel very light. So once it's completely blended out, it looks something like this. But when I touch the skin where I've applied the moisturizer, it does feel a little slippery. That's what I feel. So coming to the Garnier moisturizer, I'm going to take the same amount of how much I took for the Pond's one. I'm going to take that much. This consistency is slightly more runny than the Pond's moisturizer. So when I take this much, it might seem like a lot, but I've only taken how much I've taken the Pond's one. So I'm just going to apply it back of this hand, and I'm just going to start blending this out. The white cast was still there for Garnier, but it vanished very soon. That's all. It's like completely blended out. The another thing I find in both the products is once the Garnier moisturizer is completely blended out, it kind of gives your skin that a little shine to it, while the Pond's one is completely matte. It doesn't give any shine. So that's another thing that I found with both the moisturizers. So I'm going to quickly apply both the moisturizers on my face. On my left side goes the Garnier moisturizer, and on my right side goes the Pond's moisturizer. So the next point I want to compare them is about how they work as a makeup base. I know for sure that the Garnier moisturizer is a very good product for using under your makeup, because I have skipped my primer multiple times when I use this as my moisturizer. I don't think I can do that with the Pond's moisturizer because it is slightly stretchy on my skin. Like I said, with the back of my hand how matte it feels. So on my skin right now, this side feels very nourished and moisturized, while this side of my face feels stretchy, like how your clay masks feel. So I don't think I'll be able to apply foundation directly over this moisturizer. I will definitely go over with a primer and then with the foundation. So to quickly sum up about both the moisturizers, I like them both. And if you're a beginner and looking for a decent moisturizer under ₹50, then you can definitely go for the Pond's moisturizer, because as I said, the smallest tub retails for ₹35. So yeah, and the great thing about the Garnier moisturizer is I don't know about the wrinkle lifting part or the anti-aging part, because I don't have both of them and I can't speak on those aspects. But this is a beautiful moisturizer for all skin types and works great as under makeup, and it works great as a primer. So I like the Garnier moisturizer just a little bit more than the Pond's one, and I can say it for sure because I already have a backup full size of the Garnier moisturizer. So that's it for today's video, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will tell this one more time. I did not bash, or I'm not here to comment on any brand. I just wanted to show you two different moisturizers that are of similar texture and similar ingredients that I had, and I just wanted to talk about both of them in comparison. So if you like this video, then don't forget to leave a comment, and also please do subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you again next time. Take care. Bye.